morning! So I am going to bring you along for a day in my life. I think I'm just going to go to the shops, grab a few bits. I have some errands I need to run. I'm going for a hearing test today because my friends say that I talk really loud and I can never hear what people are saying. So we're going to get that. So I'm just getting my bag and everything today. I might get like myself a little Starbucks on the way and we'll just catch up as the day goes on. It's probably just going to be some errands. I'm going to do some meal prep for the week. So I'm going to do some like stir fry or something. And we'll just see what else we get up to. Oh, I'm also going to be filming my review of my Current Body LED light mask. So this is something that I've been trying. I've been using it for a week now and I feel like the results are actually really good. This is obviously quite a bright camera now, so we're just going to get up close and personal. But I just feel like it has made my skin just a bit tighter, a bit more like radiant as well. And if I have had a breakout, it's definitely, I feel, kind of reduce the inflammation around that. I'm also filming on my new camera. So this is very exciting. I invested in a Sony EZ V1 Alpha. You can tell I'm not a technical camera girly, but I will give you a full breakdown of this camera as well. And yeah, so let's pick a bag for the day. I just want something that is a bit lightweight that I can use. Oh, I also have, I don't know if you can see it, like a massive pile of washing behind me, but let's put the lights on. Is that better? Okay, so outfit today. Let's frame you up a little bit. We have, I don't want to trip over my drink, this gorgeous jumper. Everyone always says it's giving Oliver Bonus vibes. It's from Asda. These jeans are from And Other Stories. They are a flare jean. And then the bag that I have today is just from June. It was literally just one that I got from TK Maxx and it just goes nice with pink on the jumper. And then finally, crystals for the day. We have some pyrite because it's abundance and first of the month. Some tiger's eye for repelling any negativity and for some confidence today. And then also, I can't actually remember what this one is, but I pretty much wear it every day just for like calm and peace and everything. I'm still getting used to kind of maneuvering this tripod type situation. But yes, so I will head out, we'll go see Woody, go feed Woody. I need to quickly go now because I'm running late and otherwise I'm not going to make it to my appointment. So I'll catch you at the shop. So before I go out, I just need to put a load of washing in. I had some colours in last night, so these can go in while I'm out. Also, I just got the Rituals detergent from the shops. Well, they have a detergent and they have a softener and scent booster. I got the Sakura one in my advent calendar at Christmas and honestly, like it is expensive. The way this makes my gym clothes smell, and honestly, because when you're running, the sweat that gets embedded into your clothes is just next level, and this, oh, it's a game changer. So put a bit of this in. I never know which drawer to put it in. If you know, please help, because I think I pretty much put it in the wrong drawer. My wash machine has this like smart wash dry setting, so I'm just gonna put it on that for today. It normally takes a bit longer, but if I'm out doing errands, I don't really mind that because then it gives the wash a really good time to be on. And let's just change this setting. I'm getting used to the camera settings. I'm trying to do it manually instead of doing it on like autofocus. But so this is the current situation. And then it figures out like the weight and everything of the clothes and just does it for you. And then it dries them as well, which is great. Okay, so every morning without fail, where is my water bottle? Swear to God, I'm all over the place this morning. Every morning without fail, I am going to be having a Barocca in a 1.8 litre thing of water. Unless I'm really tired, I won't have a coffee. I will try and have like a matcha or something. But my go-to, I have them in my little container here, Barocca Boost, not just a Berocca, you want the Berocca Boost because then it's got like the caffeine in and it also tastes a lot nicer. Now I am a bit peckish, I don't know what time it is. Okay, we're gonna have to get gone, so it's gonna have to be just like a snack on the road. Maybe like a protein bar. Okay, one for the road. I've got a protein bar, I've got my Berocca, got my phone. We need to go ahead to these shops so I can quickly just get what I need, get out, and then go to my appointment. Oh my god, that's literally broken everywhere. Okay, I'll see you at the shops maybe? Yeah, I'll see you at the shops. Oh my god, when I tell you I have literally been everywhere this morning. I left the house at like 9 and then I have just got lunch now and it is, what time is it? It's 12 o'clock. So I went to the shops, picked up my bits that I needed from the shops, literally went straight from there to my appointment, straight from that to another appointment, and then had to leave there to make it. I went for a hearing test just to check that everything's fine because I'm a really loud talker. Went there, got that done. I've actually got the best hearing that he's seen all year, which is great. I'm just clearly a very loud talker. And then I've only had that protein bar, so I'm starving. So I've just picked up this like wrap, a breakfast wrap. Oh guys, it is stunning. So we've got, can you see, like I've got bacon, 2 sausages, scrambled egg, beans and cheese. This is what it's looking like, so I'm gonna enjoy this now. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm just parked up in my car. People will probably be able to see, but I don't really care. It's a fun fact. It's not really a fun fact, but just a fact. I used to hate baked beans and then one day, obsessed with them. Same thing happened with gherkins. Walked past it in the supermarket one day and I just thought, you know what I really want? A jar of gherkins. Tuna. Hated tuna, hated mayo. Now, tuna mayo pasta is like my go-to pre-run like fuel. Speaking of that, I had that last week because if you haven't seen my short, I did HYROX on Sunday. I had like 2 to 3 weeks to train for it. I did mixed doubles. Oh my god, it was so good. I loved it. I want to sign up for another one. But my appetite since starting to train for that is like through the roof. I am hungry all the time. My food bill's just grown so much. I don't know, I wanted to do a separate video on that, but I didn't have anyone there to film me, so I only have the photos from the event. It was such an early start, so I didn't film anything. I'll insert some photos from my HYROX. I'm really happy with the time splits. The first one was really fast. We probably averaged about 5 on the runs in total. I'd like to get that down to 4. I think that'd save us a lot of time. Shave a bit of time off some of the strength exercises. And then we can hopefully get that down from 1 minute and 12 to about 1 minute and 8, 1 minute and 6. That's the aim for the next one. We did it in 1 hour and 12 minutes, which I thought was really good because I'd only had like the 2 to 3 weeks to train for it. That included probably around about 6 training sessions, if that. And we definitely could have pushed harder, I think. Like, we weren't really gassed out at the end. We did it in Manchester, so we got up at like 5. Went to Manchester, did a bit of warming up, and then our time slot was at 8:50 in the morning. We did that, had lunch, and then my friend had women's solos in the afternoon, so we watched that as well. And oh my god, the atmosphere was so good. But HYROX Dry Mouth is insane. Like, there was water stations around the course, and I didn't even drink the water. I just grabbed it, chucked it into my mouth, and I was just like, okay, that'll do. And it helped, to be fair, but I'm just blabbing now. So I'm going to finish eating my breakfast and then go to my next appointment. Okay, I am now back home. It is 1:30. I am starving again, so I'm gonna just grab myself some like yogurt bowl or something. If I prop you up here, I'm literally just gonna put some banana. Don't come at me. These are only this colour because they've been in the fridge. They're not actually brown and rank. So I'm gonna chop up some banana, pop it in to this kefir yogurt pot, chuck some granola in there and just have that as like a little snack. So the appointments and everything went really well. I feel like I've got so much done today, but also nothing because I've just been out and about and I just want to have a chill and just do some stuff. So I'm gonna have this, take Woody on a little walk because bless him, he's just been left in all day while I've been out. And then we can start meal prepping. I'm gonna just put some Netflix on in the background and just jam out, get my cozies on because I feel like that's just what I need. Sometimes all I want to do is just have like a cozy day in, get some music on, get some meal prep done. Other days, that sounds like my worst nightmare, but I think because I've been on the go all this morning, and I even feel like I'm talking at 1,000,000 miles an hour, I just want to chill. I also got this. So me and my friend are doing like a Galentine's, and I got these at Aldi last year, and I got one for Woody and it was a popcorn one, but she's obsessed with coffee and we both like Jellycats and these are like Jellycat dupes, and it says, "Where have you been all my life?" and then they Velcro together, which I just thought was so cute. So I picked that up for her as well. Okay, so I've had a snack, got my washing on the heat and dryer, and I've just brought Woody out for a walk, and it is freezing in the UK at the moment, hence the massive scarf. So I'm hoping this will just be a nice quick walk, enough to get Woody out, and then I can just like get cozy and meal prep and just be nice and warm when I'm back home.